Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Vivo S17. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this pop-up though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you wish to. To close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top and select Receive between Send and History at the bottom of Vivo. Then click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android if it's not already on. Finally, you can use all of those categories at the top of your Android device and select all of your files that you wish to transfer. You can also click on some of those categories, and to access them, click on Allow a couple of times. Then select your files. When you're ready, just click on Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Vivo. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your Vivo's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Keys section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, sorry, a typo. All of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!